Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dissect the latest and greatest products on the market.
Today, we're diving into the world of adhesives, and we've got a special one for you. If you need bonding metal to stone, look no further. We've found the holy grail of adhesives for this job. FOOGWEE glass glue. FOOGWEE glass glue isn't your ordinary adhesive. It's specially formulated to provide a strong and instant bond, making it perfect for a wide range of materials, including metal and stone. What sets FOOGWEE glass glue apart is its incredible versatility.
Whether you're working on a DIY craft project, repairing pottery, or even fixing a broken tile, this glue has got you covered. But what makes FOOGWEE glass glue stand out is its precise application.
Thanks to its nozzle tip design, you can apply the glue exactly where you need it, without any mess or hassle.
Don't just take our word for it.
Listen to what our customers have to say.
From repairing delicate porcelain to reattaching metal fixtures, FOOGWEE glass glue has earned rave reviews for its reliability and strength. So, whether you're a seasoned crafter or a DIY novice, FOOGWEE glass glue is the adhesive you can trust to get the job done right. Say goodbye to flimsy bonds and hello to lasting durability.
Try FOOGWEE glass glue today and experience the difference for yourself. That's all for today's episode of Product Critique.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of your favorite products.
Until next time, happy bonding!